Today I'll walk you through how to embed a YouTube video on Notion even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly integrate your favorite videos into your Notion workspace so you can enhance your projects and presentations. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Notion page. This is where all the magic will happen. If you're not sure where to find it, just open your Notion application or website and you should see your dashboard ready for action. Next, you'll want to either create a new page or select an existing project where you want to embed the YouTube video. To do this, simply click on Add Page or choose the project from your sidebar. It's like selecting a canvas for your artwork. Now, it's time to give your page a title. For demonstration purposes, let's call it Sample Video. This title will help you identify the content later on. Think of it as the label on a box that tells you what's inside. Once you have your title set, it's time to embed the video. In the body of your page, type /embed. A pop-up box will appear inviting you to paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to include. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. After you paste the URL, click on Embed Link. This action will allow Notion to fetch the video and display it directly on your page, just like putting a picture frame around your favorite photo. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Notion page. This feature not only makes your workspace more interactive, but also allows you to access valuable content right where you need it. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.